Hello ladies and gentlemen, Rapid Chess here, and I want to show you elephant gambit. I faced it a lot on the internet with white, never tried with black, and I decided to make a video on it for black. So what's going on here? White plays e4, the most popular move in chess, e5, the most solid continuation, knight f3, and white attacks this pawn on e5. So we can play knight c6, we can play d6, we can counterattack with knight f6, which is the Russian defense or Petrov defense. And in elephant gambit, black plays d5. Interesting. But notice that, like in Russian defense, which is very popular now and very strong move, black is not defending the a6. a5, they just counterattack, and this move is very logical. Actually, it's also a counterattack, and it gives white a choice. Yeah, they either take on e6, on e5, on d5, or do something else. Let's capture here, and we play e4. Now this knight is attacked. I don't think queen e2 is the best move here. You just want to move your knight. Knight d4 looks awkward because after queen d5 it's attacked and it doesn't have a good square. So knight e5 and queen d5, for instance. Yeah. Again, our pawn here is quite strong. It's not easy to attack it, and you have to think how to defend the knight. You can play something like knight c4, which I don't think is a big problem for black. They just continue development. Or they can play d4, which is a more correct move, but you can capture here, and play knight to c6. So the position is equal. We have exchanged all pawns in the center, and black actually has developed two pieces and white has developed only one. So knight c3, queen f5, and I think the position is approximately equal. Okay, so let's return to this position. What else? If white plays d4, it's actually a good move, I think, which helps white to fight for initiative because they have extra tempo. But again, we have this takes on e4, attacking the knight. Knight takes d5, bishop d6 with a threat. Let's make this move like knight c3, which is a mistake. Takes, and look what we get here. Queen d1. Let's say we take with the king, and for instance, I don't know, knight c6, yeah, attacking this pawn and preparing to castle king side. And even if we lose this pawn, let's say after this, bishop d7 takes, castles, I think black is better. Yeah, they already castled. This is a threat. Knight b4 is a threat. So white has to be careful. So okay. So let's see another move, which is knight to c3. Looks logical. White develops the knight and defends the pawn on e4. But black can get advantage with d4. So we drive this knight back, and very precise engine move f6, defending e5. And now black is ready to win knight c6, bishop e6, queen d7, castles queenside, and attack on this side of the board. Okay, so knight c3 is bad move. Knight takes c5. Again, very logical move. Capture on e5, and this knight in the center but it's important to know this move, bishop to d6. d4 takes knight c4 and knight f6. So black is ahead in development. Knight on c4 is, I don't think does too much. And we have this beautiful bishop on d6, for instance here. Okay, let's capture. And I don't see any problem for black. I think only black can be better in this kind of position, because this e4 pawn gives black space, and the position of white pieces is quite passive. So very good opening, and I'll try to make a video on it. Thank you very much, and see you next time.